there's learning opportunities that you can do outside of class, like worksheets or online PowerPoints and online videos and note guides. You do those at home on your own time, and when you're in class you get help from the teachers if you need help on something, and you do labs or things that you can't do at home.
Like with this type of classroom, if you have someone who's getting a little bit behind, then the entire class can help them out. I mean, it's not like there's a certain schedule you have to meet at certain times. I mean, sure, you have to finish a certain amount of material before the end of the year, but I mean, you work at your own pace, and I think that's worked really well. So.
And I think it gives you a great advantage because you have to master the content, which means you have to get an 80%, which I like that.
In a normal class, it actually stops the entire class if you ask a teacher. Like if you have a question, you have to raise your hand, and it just halts the entire lesson. When in the flipped classroom, you can just stop your lesson so that you can actually, understand everything completely.
I'm working on stuff myself, but if I need help with something, they're right there. Whereas teachers always they don't always have time to be right there to answer a certain question or work on the worksheet with you. But this frees them up more when you're doing your own thing.
We're all not scared to ask questions. We all become one family, so to speak, inside the classroom, and it's just a better learning atmosphere.
I'm really comfortable with Miss Karpovich and asking her questions, and Miss Tushka as well. That might just be because we get along, but I do feel better connected with them.
The student's in charge of what's going on instead of the teacher. The teacher just helps out if you have a question or you need help on something, whereas the student is really the one moving ahead and trying to learn everything without their help.
It's definitely fun.
You're taking control of your own education. It's not like, you're being told, oh, you have to do this and this and that. I mean, you are choosing to do what you have to do, and I mean, it makes you sort of want to learn more.